Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be brought to you by NOVSIGHT, and we're going to be installing a set of their LED headlights into my second gen CRV. You've seen this CRV in the past videos, and today we have a unique opportunity to have actually a stock one and the Beast here. So you can kind of see the height difference too with the Beast lift with 30-inch tires compared to a stock unit with fresh suspension as well. But on this episode, we're going to be comparing the stock headlights versus the stock headlight housings with the LED bulbs from NOVSIGHT. So let's get these opened up and I'll show you the process to getting these installed, and then we'll see how it looks here shortly whenever we hit nightfall. Let's open up and see what they look like. Alright, cool. Comes with a new little key tag. That's pretty sweet. And then we got our bulbs here along with a little harness. So we'll unplug the stock light bulb, insert this into the headlight housing, and then plug this into the factory wiring. It's already got the conversion and everything built into it. So let's see about getting these installed. All right, so if you have a second gen CRV or whatever, you'll be looking for this little boot back here. But also this light clips onto it. So we just pull that straight back, pulls it out, and then we'll need to take this boot off. Let's see if we can get this boot off here. Okay, get the boot off. And then there's a little clip. I don't know if I'll be able to see it or not. You see kind of the clip here on, let's see if I can get my hand in there where you can see it. See the clip right here? Push that down, up, and it'll let the bulb come out of there. So that's the stock bulb. Alright, so you can see how those have that design in them just like the stock bulb would. See how it's got the flat with two prongs at the bottom, and then the single prong goes at the top. And it's the same way on a NOVSIGHT bulb. It's got the flat spot with the two prongs and the single prong at the top. So let's get this plugged in and get the little metal clip back on it. All right, so you can see I got that back in there now, and then the metal clip on there. I would like to be able to put the boot back on mine, with me being able to go off-road, so I may have to cut a slit in it or something to where to go around the head of that. But for right now, for the intents and purposes of this video, we'll take this and we'll clip it into the factory harness. There we go. Clips it right in. And if it makes you feel more comfortable, you can take some electrical tape or something, just go around it to make sure that it's not going to pull apart. But I don't think it's going to go anywhere. You could zip tie this up to the harness here or whatever to make it more secure. But overall, I think that that's going to be good enough for what we're going to do here. So let me go ahead and get this other one installed over here, and then here shortly, whenever nightfall comes, we'll compare the stock ones to the NOVSIGHT bulbs. Well, already just it's not even nightfall yet, obviously, but it looks very drastic on the camera, just because my camera isn't doing the best. See, like even down here. But yeah, those are kind of dim and dingy, and these are pretty bright. So you can see on the left over here, like more where my dog is, it's really white, and over here it's kind of dingy. So if you see, like I put my hand in front of the headlight here on the original one, you could kind of see where it's dingy. And the same for the driver's side headlight. You can see it's kind of dingy, but you can see how much brighter it's doing putting my hand over this LED. It really knocks down a lot of light. So, yeah. And they do have high and low beam, just as those would. This is the low beam. And if you watch, you can see low beam, high beam. So, yeah, that's pretty awesome. Definitely a nice product. Definitely be super useful on the trails or on the highway or wherever you are. Even if you're recording a YouTube video, got some awesome lighting for that. So yeah, check these out. I'll put a link in the description. They have them for several different makes and models. You can see how much of a shadow that's making in front of my face. But yeah, they have them for several makes and models. Check them out with a link in the description. Every purchase that you make through my link will help the channel and also give you a discount on the product. So thanks so much for checking out this video, and I hope to see you guys on another video soon. I know it's been a while since I've posted a video. I've been needing to do this video for probably, I don't know, a couple months. Just super busy. But glad to be able to do it. Glad to have them installed. Really a short process, short and sweet video, but it's just find the time to do it. But anyways, thanks guys. I hope to see you again soon. Like, comment, subscribe, and make sure to visit the links in the description and show them some love.